Good morning, Lee Ankrum here from the Ankrum Institute. Let's look at this cadaver slide right here. And here we have our organs, our lungs, our heart, the liver, here's the stomach, and here's all those coils of your small intestine, and all along the edges here you have large intestine. Now look at the distortions in this picture. It's an interesting one. The liver, look at that, the liver is too small because your liver, this ligament in the middle of your liver should actually be in the middle. Your stomach over here is very extended or distended. This might be that the person is eating foods that they're sensitive to, and therefore they're having an inflammatory reaction here. But also what's happening here is the heart is very centered, and the heart should actually be a little more off to the left. So the point of this picture that I'm going to point out, besides these other pieces, is the fact that as the heart went into the center, just behind the heart, you can't quite see it, is the esophagus. And our esophagus obviously goes down our throat and goes behind our heart and comes through the diaphragm here and goes into the stomach. When your heart moved over, so there's all these implications that I'm not even going to talk about the heart itself. But when the heart moved over, it took the esophagus over with it. So it's going to make a little strangling here at where the esophagus is coming through the diaphragm. So what this person can have is reflux or heartburn, depends what you call it, or they could be having esophageal spasms because the heart moved over, it took the esophagus with it, and therefore you're going to see they could have tension in the throat, they could get easily hoarse or lose their voice. All these things that come from this displacement that's going to put tension all up and down that esophageal corridor. Thank you. I appreciate you.